In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shareable URL link to an email in Gmail. This practical skill can be quite handy, especially when you need to reference an email in Gmail quickly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing in gmail.com. Once you've logged in, you'll see your inbox. Locate the specific email you wish to link to. You can use the search bar at the top if you need help finding it. Try typing in keywords from the email subject or the sender's name to filter your search quickly. Once you've opened the desired email, take a look at the address bar at the top of your web browser. Here, you'll notice a unique URL representing this specific email thread. It contains important identifiers that Gmail uses to distinguish this particular email from others. This URL is precisely what you'll need to share. To create a shareable URL link, you'll need to copy this unique web address. So, click on the address bar to highlight the URL. Right-click and select Copy from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Ctrl-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac for the same action. It's a good idea to double-check that you've copied the correct URL to avoid any mix-ups. After you've copied the URL, you might be wondering how to share it effectively. Well, you can paste this link anywhere you need to, whether it's an email, a document, or a chat conversation. Simply navigate to the desired location, right-click to bring up the context menu, and select Paste. Alternatively, you can use Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on a Mac to paste the link. Keep in mind that the person you share this link with must have access to your Gmail account to view the email. It's not a public URL, so it's a secure way to reference emails among people who already have access to them. This makes it ideal for internal communications or sharing important email threads with colleagues. Now, a quick tip. If you're sharing this link with someone who doesn't have direct access to your Gmail account, consider forwarding the email or taking a screenshot as a convenient alternative. This ensures that they still get the context they need without any hang-ups. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a shareable URL link to an email in Gmail. This method is a fantastic way to keep your communications organized and accessible. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide simplifies your email management. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from it. Until next time, happy emailing!